Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem Minecraft Java gift card. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now the first thing you want to do is actually to head over to Minecraft website, and from here you just want to sign in into your account, and you can do that by going to the top right corner and clicking sign in and then log into your account. Now once we are logged into your account, we can go up to the top right again, and we just want to look for this button that says redeem. So go ahead and click on that, and as you can see, here's where we can redeem all our Minecraft codes. So here's the Java and Bedrock edition for PC, and if we scroll down a bit here, you can see here's how we can redeem Minecraft Java edition. Now, it isn't as easy as just entering the code in here. As you can see, there are some steps, so as long as you're logged into your account, you can click Redeem Java Edition to begin that process. And if you scroll down some more, there's also other codes we can redeem. So if you have anything else that you want looking to redeem, we can do that all on this page. So that's exactly how you can redeem Minecraft Java gift cards. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.